Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW i5 M60 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW i5 M60 in Black Sapphire Metallic. I've just hit unlock on the key there. We got the kidney grille lit up. We got the DRLs on. I'm going to just press and hold panic for 1 second. So that is the pathway lighting, which shows the whole low beam system. And honestly, I've seen a bunch of these on the road now. That light up kidney grille is no joke. It looks so crazy when it's coming up on you. So let me just do a lap all the way around. And now that we've done this lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. We got the classic Black Sapphire Metallic. You can see how reflective the surface is. It looks like we're just looking at the ceiling right now, but we're looking at the hood of the car. We got the lines coming lengthwise down, rondelle up front and center with the blue accents to tell us we're electrified. We've got that new illuminating kidney grille in the classic shape with the 4 headlights. That is kind of following the classic BMW design language. We've got the horizontal slat, and we've got the M badge on the driver's side, and we've got this little section here that's like drawn in or something, and we've got the front facing camera. I really do like the front end of the new 5 Series, and it's interesting, you don't have to only like one 5 Series, you can like them all or some of them. It's funny, some people are like, oh, what? You like the G60? Well, I like the G30. And I'm, oh, all right, well, you can like them both if you want. We've got the front plate bracket on here. We've got some functional air ducts going all the way through the bottom, and we've got active shutters at the bottom here as well. But honestly, the front end, I really, really like it. What do you guys think? And if we take a closer look at these headlights, I like when the headlights are off. This shape reminds me of the E60 headlight shape, but I like when they're on. You can see that they are raked down, which gives it a very aggressive, menacing look. I like all the little intricate lines, patterns, and details in there. And with the full low beam system on, that looks pretty good. So now that we're here at the side of the car, these are the 21-inch Aero wheels, 954 individual style, and these are jet black burnished. So very aggressive looking wheels, and we do have the red M Sport brake back there as well. I really like the contrast on the red brake with this burnished wheel. And in the Canadian market, we do have the M badging on the fender there. And we also have an M welcome light carpet. It's kind of hard to see here, but it's there. And this one has carbon fiber M wing mirrors. That looks really good, and we've got the integrated turn signal in the camera there. We have the glass roof up top. We have the black window surrounds here as well. And side profile view. That looks really good. We also have the new style antenna. And we've got the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the fronts. And nice body lines going all the way across, right into the tail lights. Hofmeister Kink's got that nice 5 emblazoned in there. Down here we've got the rear 21-inch 854 individual wheel. We have the carbon fiber spoiler on the trunk lid there. So that looks pretty sweet. And now that we've come to the back of the car, we've got the i5 badging over here, M60 badging on this side. And let me just get the tail lights on here. So we've got the double L-shaped stacked tail lights, and because this is the M60, we've got the black chrome in the middle instead of chrome. And we've got the vertical reflectors, big diffusers. Obviously there's no exhaust because there's no combustion engine. So we're at the back of the car. I've got the key with me. Let me just kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. All right, so we can get that to open up the hands-free way. We've got the carpeted mats down here. We've got the release levers to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split, and it is really deep in here. I can't even reach in there. And we do have a little bit of a plastic storage bin on this side with the glow-in-the-dark handle to get out. Grocery bag hanger on each side, and a little area here where normally they'll stick on the tire inflator kit, which is down here. So down here, we've got charging cables, level 1, level 2, and there's that little thing that is often stuck over here, but car's in the showroom, so we'll just leave it down here. And then there's a little handle here to pull that down. So once we're done, there's a button we can press to close, another one to close and lock. Let's just press the close button. There it is. Now when we come to the passenger side, you'll see that we have the charge port door, which is connected to the central locking system. Once that opens up, the first thing we see is a light. Light is there just so that we can see. And then it'll start blinking yellow once we plug in to determine if we're supposed to charge now or charge later. Blinking blue means charging now, solid blue means charge later, green means done charging, blinking red means connection error. Little button you can press when you've got the key with you to unlock just the charging cable. This is level 1, level 2. This whole thing is level 3. We're going to start seeing the NOx charger coming on the first model will be the iX3, the NA5 model. Let me open up the rear door here. So once I've opened the door up, we do have the manual sunshades, just like this. And we've got your door handle, we have the window switch, we've got Bowers & Wilkins sound system back here. That speaker mesh looks sweet. Blue contrast stitching, some ambient light, and we have the black interior with the blue contrast stitching going around, so that looks really good. You can also see we've got some Bowers & Wilkins things going on, and we've got the armrests in the center with the cup holders, and up here we've got the button, whoops, that you can press. It's this button right here to release the center pass-through. And on the back of each front seat, we've got an ambient light, USB Type-C charging port, accessory port, optional mats, ambient light, more vents are underneath there. We've got some vents in the back of the center console, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, heated seats for the 2 outer positions, and we've got a little storage area down here. And up top, some lights, some microphones for Bluetooth, some handles, and some hangers. So now that we've had a good look in the back seating area, let's shut this door and we'll open up the front passenger door next. So once we've got that open, on the inside here you can see again Bowers & Wilkins. We have the light interaction bar going across. We've got the carbon fiber weave with the silver thread in there, door handle, window switch, and down here we've got some pockets, big speakers down here. Full power seat with lumbar, blue contrast stitching, manual under the thigh extension, and we've got this nice M tricolor stitching on the piping, and we've got a little bit of this Veganza, Alcantara and all that. It's pretty nice. When we look over here, you'll see that we've got more of that carbon fiber going across. Nice soft touch materials on the dash. Interaction light bar with some vent controls here. And directional airflow down here, right? And there's a button we can press here that opens up the glove box, right? And you can lock the glove box. And we have iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, and up here we've got more of these crisscross patterns and whatnot, and there's the opening up there for the head-up display. And we've got more interaction light bar in the center. Wireless charger storage. The wireless charger does cool your phone as well. And we've got some illuminated cup holders with the 2 USB Type-C charging ports. We've got the glass shifter, the glass iDrive controller, the glass volume wheel. I like that that's kind of lit up. That's cool. Button you can press that opens this. There's a 12-volt plug in there. And now that we've had a chance to look at this side, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. Alright, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open up this door. So again, we've got Bowers & Wilkins, we've got unlock, lock, memory, seating menu, side mirror controls, all 4 window controls. Makes it so only the driver controls the windows. Rear sunshade up and down button, just like that. And tailgate release down here. More pockets, more ambient light. We've got the full power seat with lumbar on this side as well. So there's another look at those beautiful seats. And we have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching around. We've got one paddle, which is just for the boost. And we've got the red marker at 12 o'clock. Head-up display. And this car has the self-parking, it has all the cruise control, it has the garage door openers on the bottom here, interior camera as well. And up top, we've got the visors, light opens with the mirror. And this is at a 95% charge. We have 437 kilometers range on the dash there, which is great. And now that we've had a chance to look at all this, way down here, you can't see it, but under here is the hood release, and it says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2, there's the cloth, this is the M Sport pedals. So let's get to the front. We won't have to find anything under here, you just have to lift it up. And there it is, a big M Performance looking engine cover. All the high voltage electrical components are underneath here. And it is a dual motor system, that's how we get the all-wheel drive xDrive going. So this produces 593 horsepower, 605 foot-pounds of torque with an advertised 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 kilometers of 3.8, but we know BMW underrates everything, so I can only imagine how much faster it really is. There is a positive and negative battery terminal here, but being an EV, it's not really for you to boost anything, it's just so you can have the car discharged when the service is working on it. This is for you. Washer fluid, just regular washer fluid, please. And BMWs do have 2 latches under the hood. So in order for me to close the hood, let me bring the hood roughly about halfway. Fingers on the rondelle so I don't put fingerprints on the paint. Literally just send her down. And I failed. Try again. So I've found the bigger the hood, so normally 5 Series, 8 Series, even 7 Series have big hoods. So there's a lot more resistance from those 2 hydraulic arms there. So you really have to send it down if you really want it to close. So send it down with tons of force. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I want to do one more final lap all the way around, and I'm going to try and get a couple of longer range angles. This car is really designed nicely, and black on black on a 5 Series, you cannot go wrong. And this one is fully spec'd. I really like it. And I just wonder if we had a 550 or 560 with a V8, how that would be without going to the full M. But what do you think about this one? And guess what? This is for sale. Contact me if you're interested. All right, everyone. So that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW i5 M60 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black M interior. This car is for sale, as I'd mentioned. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Contact me if you're interested in this car. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.